To Unboxing Solutions, where we unwrap more than packages, we unwrap possibility. Every tool you see is chosen with care, purpose, and real-life use in mind. If what you create deserves to be opened, explored, and put to work, this is that space.
So welcome back to Unbox Solutions with me. This is episode 37, and this is where we don't just open packages, we open perspectives, okay? And today we're unboxing a few everyday essentials with purpose. And the first thing we're unboxing is, let me see how this looks. Okay, so the first thing that we're unboxing is Brita Plus Water Filter Replacement Pack. Because clean water isn't luxury, it's infrastructure. Clean water is essential, okay? And so for me personally, I like filtered water. So yeah, so that's this Brita, right? Brita. Let's put it here for a moment so you can see it. And then the next one we have this Palmer's Coconuts facial oil. I'm wearing it right now. I use it especially when I'm filming. Hydration meets glow. So this is what I use on my face. The only thing I use on my face. Well, it's not the only thing. Sometimes there's this other oil thing, but this is primarily what I use on my face. This is primarily what I use on my face. Yeah, coconut, Palmer's Coconut facial oil for a luminous glow. That's what it says anyway. That's what it says. Okay, let's stay right here. All right, and I just want you to see it. So let's put it right there. And then the third thing is Dabo and Shobo 48 color highlighter set, because clarity looks better in color. Well, whoa, I did not 48 pieces, baby. Okay. So, and you see, I just shared with you the items on Amazon, so you can see exactly what they look like. All right. So we're gonna open these now. I'm gonna open these now and show you what they look like. And then I have some. So wait, before I open these boxes, let me just share something with you. So let's pause for 3 smart consumer reminders for 2026.
Gospel Foundation International Healing Ministries is a Bible-based ministry. Through worship, prayer, and deliverance, we help individuals find restoration. We equip believers to build stronger families and healthier communities. Footprints of Faith Radio shares real stories of healing and hope. Bible Talk for Children helps kids develop strong moral foundations. Apply for sponsored digital advancement support for growing your reach. Your support makes this possible. We're aiming for a $500 monthly goal. Support, partner, or give today at gfihministries.org/give.
It's a place that's real. All right, so here are 3 tips that I'd like for you to consider before I rip these boxes open and show you what's inside. Right, so consumer tip number 1, check the seller, not just the product. With popular household brands, third-party seller scams are rising. Sorry, with popular household brands, yes. Third-party seller scams are rising. Always verify you're buying from the official brand or a highly rated authorized seller. And let me explain something to you with this. You see my burrito? This I remember the first time I bought it. I don't think I actually bought the burrito. It was when I went back into my orders that I've already had, and I was going to reorder, right? And I was like, I actually bought filters that had no label, like, you know. And I'm not saying that they're not good enough. I just don't want to buy them that way. But so I want to know what brand I'm buying for me personally. So I realized that for my water filters, I really had to be intentional about it, about getting the one I actually wanted, which is the one that is, from an official brand that I use. So I wanted to know, and I'm not saying that Brita is the best or anything, and this is not sponsored or nothing. I'm just saying for me specifically, I wanted something from a brand that I can identify, and if I have an issue, I can get back to them, right? So, consumer tip number 2: watch the return window. Return deadlines sneak up fast. Screenshot or calendar your eligibility date, especially for skincare and filters. Don't let policy timelines outpace your testing. And number 3, consumer tip number 3: read the fine print on claims. Reduces 2 times contaminants sounds powerful, but always check which contaminants. Marketing language shines, details protect. So make sure what you think they're saying is what they're actually saying. Because around here, we don't just consume, we discern. And because I know I'm not very strong in the discernment area, I have to take extra precaution to pay attention to details and be intentional and mindful about what I'm doing. So let's now unbox these. So I've already showed you the Brita. Right? And this is the coconut hydrate facial oil. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is it, right? And then when you open it, has yeah, I really love it. I love it. It's one of my favorite products that I've bought. Love it, love it, love it. And you can see my face, right? That's all I have on my face right now. And I know this one, no, I never thought this was going to be so much. Like, this is the biggest box there. I'm like, okay. I didn't think. I mean, I saw the 48, but I don't know why I didn't think. I thought it was just like a packet or something. I should have got I have the box opener, but I never bring it. I never bring it in. There we go. You hear that pop? Of course, I have more. Well secured. All right. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, they're in a bag. Oh, hang on here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Because when I'm reading, especially when I'm reading the Bible, I want to be able to highlight certain areas. I'm an interactive person. I want to highlight them so I can go back. So these are the highlighters. And even when I'm reading books, I like to be able to highlight them. Did I think I was getting this many highlighters? Like, seriously, Raquel, didn't you read it? This is a lot of highlighters, but I love them anyway. It's okay. I don't know that I had this much in mind. But it works. It's okay. Yeah. At least I got what I wanted. Right? At least I got what I wanted. So I can't say I didn't get what I wanted, right? Because I got what I wanted. Yeah. All right. So it's now time for us to move on to our next segment. Let's go. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.